Hello, family. It's my girlfriend's birthday, so I'm going to make her favorite cookie. And I might put a spin on half the batch. We'll see. Come join me. It is her favorite recipe that I'm making. It's just the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe. And I got out the big guns this time. This baby here. I got the oven on 375. All right, we're going to start out by mixing the dry ingredients. I'm doubling the recipe, of course. So I'm going to add 4.5 cups of flour. I'm giving it a sift. That's 2 cups. Three. Four. And a half. I love this thing. My grandma had one of these. She had bowls like this too. So thank you, Grandma, for teaching me this. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Two. And 2 teaspoons of salt. There we go. I'm going to mix that up. Just give it a good whisk. Okay. Now we're going to come back over here. We're going to add, I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter. No, 4 sticks, sorry. 4 sticks of butter. Because I'm doubling it. And I will put the recipe in the description. I'm adding, well, 3/4 cup, but I'm adding it twice. White sugar, brown sugar, I think I have just enough. Look at that. I emptied it almost. Okay, brown sugar. And yes, I'm making a mess already, but that's okay. It's okay. I gotta tell myself that. All right, now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to add this. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugars together. All right. Now I'm going to get this back in here. That's pretty creamy. That's good enough. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, we're going to switch it over to this one. I had to clean up my mess. Of course I did. Now we're going to add, it says eggs, add eggs one at a time. So we're just going to go like that. All right, now we're going to add the flour a little at a time. And I don't know if you can see that, but I don't want anybody to move. Can you see that? Don't anybody move. Don't touch the screen. I'm playing dishpan Jenga and nothing can fall. All right. Now we're going to add the flour a little at a time. Okay, now, and I just added another thing to the Jenga pile, the dish pan Jenga pile. And no, it didn't fall. Yes, I'm really good at this. Okay. Just want to make sure that it's all mixed at the bottom part. Oh, it looks like I got flour on this thing, so okay. Got to get that in there. All right, hang on. Hang on. All right. All right. That's done. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. And it says 2 cups of chocolate chips, which, well, you know me. We're going to see. So that would be 4 cups. And I've got milk chocolate. Or no. Yeah, I had one of that bag was milk chocolate, and this is semi-sweet. So, okay, it's 2. 3, 4, and extra for the birthday girl. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right. All right. That's good. They're mixed in. Now, we're going to try to remove this thing. Okay. We're going to try to remove this thing. Okay. We got that. So far, so good. I just want to get this down here. All right. Now what I want to do is, oops, I want to split this dough. I'm splitting it into about half, maybe not even half. Let's just do, oops. It's a good thing I have plastic on my floor. I have a plastic runner because I know me. Okay, I'm just saving out a little bit here. So I'm going to try something. Okay. I'm going to put this aside. Now with this, I'm going to add, I powdered some instant coffee. So about 2 teaspoons. I'm adding that. Yeah. Whoops, let's put it up again. Oh, they smell good. Smells like coffee. Nothing better than chocolate and coffee, right? That's what I'm saying. Oh, yeah. All right, now we can put them on the pan. All right, we're going to start with the regular. I have a feeling that I'm going to have to do it this way, a few at a time. 6 at a time, that's fine with me. All right, these are going to go in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. I think my old recipe said 12 minutes with my oven, but you know, that was a while ago, so. We're going to start with the plain batch first, and we'll be back. Okay, I left it in there for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to let it sit for 2 minutes and then put it on a different, on a sheet. Okay, and these are the coffee ones. So we're going to let those sit 2 minutes and then put them on a baking sheet, on a baking mat. Here you are. These are the regular chocolate chip, and these are the coffee chocolate chip. So this is the regular. Always good. This is the coffee chocolate chip. My next batch is coming out. This is good. It's just a hint of coffee. Really good. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now. Happy birthday, my friend.